Imagine our best-selling lamp for creatives, now in a sleek, compact design. Built for creatives seeking true-to-life color rendering. It has our most advanced LED module and innovative Pro features, combining performance and portability in a compact, easy-to-carry design, turning any desk into a creative studio. Meet the Redgrass R9 Solo Desk Lamp, our portable, award-winning LED lighting solution crafted for artists, hobbyists, and casual creatives alike. At the heart of the R9 Solo is our revolutionary R9 Color Perfect technology, the same innovation behind the multi-award-winning R9 Desk Lamp. You can adjust the brightness from a gentle glow to daylight level clarity, and its unique color technology ensures that every color is rendered vividly with no color shift, including the hard-to-render reds, yellows, and skin tones. The R9 Solo is flicker-free for fatigue-free sessions, while the glare-minimizing lens keeps your focus where it belongs, on your task. Ultralight and foldable. The R9 Solo comes with a dedicated base and desk clamp, adapting to any space, whether it's your desk, kitchen table, or a downtown masterclass. Slip it into our carry bag, and the R9 Solo becomes your perfect on-the-go companion. Unleash your creativity in countless ways. Paint, draw, sculpt, and craft. Use it for miniature painting, crafting, or any detail-oriented task that demands precise, true-to-life color. Whether refining brushstrokes on a miniature or capturing subtle tones in a sketch, the R9 lamp series delivers professional-grade lighting at your fingertips. Powered by precision-engineered LEDs, they offer long-lasting performance, efficient power usage, and robust durability for years to come. Pledge for the new R9 Solo Desk Lamp, the perfect companion wherever creativity calls. Or choose our studio-sized R9 Desk Lamp, featuring dual LED bars for shadowless and focused lighting. Plus, receive a starter pack of 30 Painter's Arsenal cards, a unique collection of miniature painting tutorials from top artists worldwide.